So I've got this cool paper printing kit. I want to show you what's in it. Some alum and some iron. So I've got a sheet of aluminium, some French terry cloth. This is a sheet of iron that will go rusty. A few pieces of calico fabric, some copper, and that's rare. Some sheets of watercolour paper, and another sheet of aluminium over the top to make an Ecoprinting sandwich. And here's the plates that I've been using for a while. They're basically rusty. That's what we were aiming for. And the copper, I'm trying to get that to give me some nice green from verdigris. Comes with a little instruction pamphlet, and it's got 2 recipes. One's called Clean and Pretty. Another one's called Down and Dirty. So I'm going to try the Down and Dirty recipe today because it looks interesting and right up my alley. So to start this off, I've got to make a dirty pot. So it's basically kitchen scraps and leaves, all of them are sort of brown and tanniny. That's my tea from this morning. Got a bit of coffee grounds. What else? I could use iron sulfate powder from the kit, but I got this rusty tin. So that'll produce the iron that I want to make it really soupy and dark. What else? Got a little bit of bark from stringy bark tree. Onion skins, the power ingredient. So much tannin in these, you wouldn't believe it. Oh, it's looking promising. I think I've got some leaves over here. Eucalyptus, that's what we want. And some eucalyptus gum nuts. And that's liquid amber. I'm going to simmer this for half an hour. So I'm on a mission to go and get some botanicals for my paper printing, but I'm not going to go more than about 50 metres from my front door. Let's see how I go. So I've made it to a footpath and there's a lot of dandelion here. I really like using dandelion in paper prints. I'd like to use this hibiscus, but I've tried it before and it doesn't print very well. It's very underwhelming. These geranium leaves are really good. I hardly got any though, so I'm going to just use these spent ones. And they work really well. Now I'm across the road at my neighbour's place and I'm going to pick up a few silky oak leaves. Got to be a bit careful here because my neighbour can be a bit grumpy. Now I'm at my other neighbour's place and she's not grumpy. She's got this terrible weed. It's very invasive. I'm going to take some of that though. It does Ecoprint nicely.